Hey loves, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about these locks. Some of my subscribers wanted to know how I got these locks in my hair, and it's very easy. I didn't really plan on doing a video on these because as you can see, my hair is already done, and this is not going to be a tutorial because the locks are already in. But what I can tell you is that it's very easy to do these locks. Let me show you what the locks look like. These were purchased from Amazon, and here it is. There's an open loop at the beginning of the locks, and this is what I use to put in my hair. So it's very simple. All you have to do is take this crochet needle and you find a spot that needs to be filled, and you just put them in. Let me show you. I'll do this one for you. You put the crochet hook in the back, and you make sure the latch is down. You put the hair on, close the latch, pull it through your hair, and then you take the curly end, close the latch, and just pull it through. And it's just that simple. Now the pattern I used was just all going back into one ponytail, and then I just attached the hair, secured the hair with a bobby pin, and what I did was two sides just going back. It was really that easy. And then I took the latch hook and I just started putting them wherever I wanted the locks to be. It was really just that simple. Now also I did some decorations, as you can see, on the locks, and these were also from Amazon. I will leave everything down in the description box. If you have any questions about these locks, if you want me to do a tutorial on the locks, I can do it. It's really simple, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. Now, I wasn't too sure about these locks because this is the first time I actually did locks at all. So I'm not really used to it yet. I mean, to me, I see all the mistakes, but it came out okay. I would have liked them to look better. I didn't know what I was doing, so the next time, hopefully, if I put these back in or I get different locks to put in, maybe they'll come out a little bit better the way I like it. I would like it to be. So this is it. This is the result. And if you have any questions, let me know. These locks are called distress locks with the curly end. It's called either goddess locks or distress lock. Anyway, I will have the information down in the description box. But this is what it looks like, and it's very easy. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will answer all your questions. And if you want a tutorial on how I did these locks, let me know that also. So anyway, that's it. Have a great day, and I shall see you in my next video. If you're new here, please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye ladies. See you in the next video.